من هذا الرجل؟ هو عباس. عباس تاجر. عباس تاجر غني. حامد مدرس. حامد مدرس جديد. ما هذا؟ هذا تفاح. التفاح فاكهة لذيذة. ما ذلك؟ ذلك عصفور. عصفور طائر صغير. العربية لغة سهلة. العربية لغة جميلة. عمار طالب مجتهد. ومحمود طالب كسلان. من أنت؟ أنا طالب. أنت طالب جديد؟ نعم أنا طالب جديد. In this part of the lesson, this first part of the lesson, it deals with a couple issues, and one of them is al-qa'idatun inna na'ata yatma'u man'uta fi tadhkira wa tanithin. مثل عمار مدرس جديد. خديجة مدرسة جديدة. In this first qaida, this principle is indeed the not follows the man'ut in masculinity and femininity. Now, the not wa man'ut, the not is the description and the man'ut is the thing that's being described. Again, the not is the thing, the description, and the man'ut is the thing that's being described. For example, Ammarun mudarrisun jadidun. In this sentence, mudarris is the man'ut and jadidun is the not. The next example, Khadijatu mudarrisatun jadidatun. And mudarrisatun is the man'ut and jadidatun is the not. And this qaida is that the description always follows the thing it's describing in femininity and masculinity. Now, if the thing that's being described is masculine, then the description is going to be masculine. And if the thing that's being described is feminine, then the description will be feminine. And the next point that this part of the chapter goes over is al-qa'idatun inna hadha wasfa la yunawwinu الوصف مختوم بالألف والنون زائدتين. مثل عمار جوعان محمد عطشان. And this principle right here is dealing with a description, a certain type of description, and this description has no tanween and it ends with alif and noon. This description has no tanween and it has alif and noon. An example for that is Ammar is hungry. Ammarun Jo'a. The Ammar is hungry. Then it has Muhammadun Atshan. And Muhammad is thirsty. Now, these specific type of descriptions, which are called wasf, and as they telling you this type of description and tell you its characteristics, one of the characteristics of this type of description is that it has no tanween. That no matter what, it won't have tanween. And we know that the origin of words, a lot of the words or nouns, is that they end with tanween, unless something comes to make it not tanween. But these specific words are built without tanween. They are built without tanween. And in another description of this type of description, another characteristic of this type of description is that it ends with alif and noon. That it ends with alif and noon. Masalun, again, Jo'an, Atshan. The next point that the chapter goes over is al-qa'idatu. Al-qa'idatu يؤنف هذه الصفات بالألف وليس للتاء. مثل آمنة جوعى خديجة عطشى أمار شبعان ومريم شبعى. And next point that it goes over is the principle that the feminine of these descriptions, the way these words are written in a feminine form, that they end with aleph and not ya, and not ta, excuse me. They end with aleph and not ta. Aleph and not ta. An example of that is Aminatu Jo'a. The masculine of that is Jo'an, but the feminine is Jo'a. Then you have Khadijatu Atsha. The feminine of that word is Atshan. Then you have Ammarun Shab'an. The Ammar is full. That he's full. And while we at this point of this word of being full, another word that comes with it is Malan. Malan. It means full. And Shab'an also means full. But the word Milan, Milan, it is the full if you fill up a cup or you fill up a bowl, that type of full. But this Shab'an is the full when you're full from food, like you're not hungry no more, you're full. That's what type of full Shab'an is. In Malan, that full is when you fill an object up with something. Like you'll say, Mathalun, Al-Kubu Malan, or Hadha Al-Kubu, Hadha Kubu Malan, that this cup is full. And the feminine for Shab'an is, as we say, the qaida, Shab'a. It is Shab'a. And this right here is the end of part 1 of lesson 9. Anything that I said that was incorrect is from myself and the shaitan. And anything that I said that was correct, all praise is due to Allah Ta'ala. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.